Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to store pumped milk properly and how mothers can keep their milk safe and organized for daily use. After pumping, always transfer the milk into a clean and properly sealed storage container or storage bag. Using clean equipment is very important for maintaining hygiene and safe storage. It is also a good habit to label each container with the date and time. This helps you keep track of freshness and makes it easier to use the oldest milk first. If you plan to use the milk soon, you can place it in the refrigerator. For longer storage, many mothers prefer using the freezer. When storing milk in the freezer, try to keep it in small portions. This makes it easier to use only what you need and helps reduce waste. It is also important not to overfill storage bags or containers because milk may expand slightly during freezing. Before using stored milk, thaw it slowly and warm it gently if needed. Avoid using very high heat because gentle warming usually works better. Keeping your storage area organized can also make your routine easier. Many mothers keep older milk in front and newer milk behind to stay organized. Always check the milk before use. If anything seems unusual, it is better to stay cautious. With proper storage, labeling, and organization, storing pumped milk becomes simple and much easier to manage in daily life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.